Splash and dash, drill number 1 is called Ski Trio. First up is ski with flip the pancake arms. Do it for 50 seconds. Let's practice the arms first. Pretend your arms are long spatulas, flipping pancakes off the pool floor. With palms facing upward, use the entire length of your arms to lift giant pancakes off the griddle. Then flip your palms down and press your arms back to the pool floor, returning your pancakes to the griddle. Continue the arm motion as you combine it with basic ski legs. Your legs scissor in long lunges like a cross-country skier. Alternate reaching right leg, then left leg, then right, far to the rear as you flip the pancakes with your arms. Keep cooking for 10 seconds more. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done.